All right, members, please come back. Your break is over.
Satvik, you're conducting or I'll conduct?
Yeah, 1 second now.
If you're working on text, go work on text. I'll manage the committee.
Yeah, you
you're
continue speaking with the. We'll continue the thing.
Jordan?
Let's just let
Yeah,
everyone
Hussein.
come back with the. Let everyone turn the videos on, then we'll start.
Members, switch on your videos ASAP. We are going to start formal session. Seeing that break is over.
Also, members of the Israeli State Council specifically, please start making a directive. You can band together with members from Jordan, Syria, and Egypt. Not Jordan, Syria, and Egypt, Iraq as well, and you can form a directive against Jordan. Although your prime priority should be to protect the state of Israel and conquer West Bank and capture Bethlehem.
Chair, point of parliamentary inquiry.
Yes.
Even though we're moving towards a directive for Jordan's treason to the Arab League or the Israel cabinet,
Yes.
aren't the Arab League and Israelis still in war?
See, we are at war.
As
That is
we
what. That's what makes the situation so precarious. You need to make sure that you defend your boundaries, defend your borders along the Sinai Peninsula as well as the West Bank, which as well as Gaza Strip, which is which we had our forces, we had our troops sent out there, but we suffered a huge loss, and we have to. But our main aim right now is to capture West Bank and defeat Jordan, essentially. Okay.
You guys listen, the members, you can either just go all out in war. Jordan is just stuck in between you two. Jordan will just get destroyed. Second, you guys make a truce and sort of make like an emergency force, take over Bethlehem again. And or you guys do whatever you want to do. So these are the options that you have.
We'll now be recognizing the Arab president, you take over. Please recognize POTUS as well as the Premier of Soviet Union.
Yeah.
All right, members of the Israeli and Arab cabinets, I'm here to tell you this. 2000 years ago, the proudest boast was Civis Romanum Sum, which is which can be translated as I am a Roman citizen. However, today in the world of the Middle East, the proudest thing a free citizen can say is that I am a citizen of Israel. So all free men, wherever they live in the Middle East, as long as they're free, they are citizens of Israel. And therefore, I, as a free man living in the Middle East, take pride in saying that I am a free citizen of Israel. I would like to declare the utmost support of the United States of America to the state of Israel, and I assure my support in whatever material and material needs that are required for the state of Israel. And I also assure that any invasion into the core territory of Israel will be considered as an attack on the soil of the United States of America, and all such aggressors will be treated as such, and will be given the maximum response by the United States of America. Okay, and that is not to say that the United States of America will be going into a direct war. However, the United States of America will be offering most support possible, and it will certainly make all the efforts possible to hamper the military efforts of any such invasive action by any Arab state. As again, we take pride when we say, I am an Israeli. Thank you.
Seeing that a president of the United States of America, seeing that you have some time remaining, how would you like to yield your time?
I would like to yield my time to 2 points of information.
Seeing that the president has yielded himself graciously to 2 points of information, we shall consider only 2. All those wishing to raise a point of information, please raise your hands now. Okay. Minister of Foreign Affairs, Egypt, and Special Forces, Israel. You've been recognized in that order. Minister of Foreign Affairs of Egypt, state your point.
Mr. Lyndon B. Johnson, It'll be a pretty straightforward question. Are you American or Israeli?
Well, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Egypt, I am both an American and an Israeli. An American because I was born and raised in that country, and an Israeli because I am a freed man living in the Middle East. Currently in the Middle East, not living. Sorry, currently in the Middle East, and the only free place in the entire Middle East is the state of Israel. Hence, I can proudly state that I'm both an American and an Israeli.
Please to follow up.
Granted.
Is the White House not safe anymore or something?
Well, Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Apologize, me, President. Please do not raise comical questions that have no relevance to the committee. Moving on, the next point of information, Special Forces, you've been recognized.
The President of the United States, thank you so much for your extended support to the country of Israel and the pride you hold for being an Israeli. We are forever thankful for you for that. The Chairman of Special Forces of Israel would like to ask, since the US and Vietnam are at war right now, is the US capable of giving us troops and arms at this current point in time?
Well, Chairman of Special Forces, I would like to assure you that as the most powerful country in this entire world, the United States is committing to send whatever help possible to the state of Israel that it can. Even though we are at war, we are in a war right now with Vietnam, we will still send all support possible and all the help we can to the state of Israel if there is any existential threat to the state of Israel.
Appreciate it.
But we are also very certain the state of Israel is very capable on its own to handle the threat that is posed by all the neighboring Arab states.
Appreciate it.
Will,
A point
will
of
the
parliamentary inquiry.
Yes.
Can the
Special Forces.
MATSI propose a POI
Sorry,
to the POTUS?
Seeing that we are shortage of time and the president's time is invaluable, we'll not be accommodating any more POIs. Moving forward, we have the Premier of Union of USSR, that's Nikita Khrushchev. Premier, you may address
Did
the
you
committee.
actually call me by somebody else's name?
Apologize me. But
Alexei Smirnov.
oh, apologize me, Alexei Smirnov. Can you please address the committee? Please apologize
I, the Premier of the Union of the Soviet Socialist Republic, Alexei Kosygin, pledge my allegiance to the Arab League on killing the illegitimate people of an illegitimate nation. The Union of Soviet Socialist Republic will not let the illegitimate nation or settlement of Israel and the condemned nation of the United States of America to trouble our Arabian brothers. We will not let this happen. We pledge all of our military and intelligent allegiance to the Arab League to fight the war against these illegitimate nations. As the Premier of the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, we will not accept this any further. Anyone who dares to stand against the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic will face the power of the world's greatest nation. The fatherland will oppose every single motion prepared by this stupid coalition.
Thank you, Premier. Seeing that you have time, how would you yield your time? Premier.
Points of information.
We'll be allowing 2 points of information due to time constraints. All those wishing to raise a point of information, raise your hands now. President of United States of America has already left committee. Okay.
Fine, as the co-chair of the Israeli cabinet.
We are not accepting any questions from the executive board.
But I am the
Minister of
executive board.
or no questions from the executive board. Exactly. Minister of Foreign Affairs, followed by there's no HO operations.
Thank you for the recognition, Chair. Does the Premier of the USSR claim that he will massacre the entire population of the state of Israel? According to his speech, he did say the Soviet Union will kill the illegitimate people of an illegitimate nation. By people, do you mean citizens of Israel?
They are not citizens of an illegitimate settlement. They are illegitimate people of illegitimate illegitimate settlement that deserve to be massacred at first sight.
Plead to follow up.
Granted.
Isn't that against every single convention on human rights, on war crimes? For example, the Geneva Convention, which, you, if I'm not wrong, you also supported.
There won't be any Geneva Convention if there is no US. Thank you.
HO operations, you have been recognized.
Thank you for the recognition, Chair. The Premier of the USSR, thank you so much for your presence. I would just like to reiterate that you said that you absolutely support the Arab region in all of its advances to destroy the illegitimate nation of Israel. Hypothetically speaking, in case if the Arab region wants to establish an Islamic regime on the acquired territory, if you do acquire, which is highly unlikely, Israel, they want to establish an Islamic regime instead of communist regime, and they bar the existence of a communist regime, would you still support the Arab region?
We will wage war on Arabia.
Plea to follow up?
Granted.
So your allegiance is not to the Arab region, your allegiance is to just finding newer land to establish your communism. It has nothing to do with the Arab region. For all we know, if we promise you the communist regime, you would completely flip to our side. Would you help us in establishing your regime if we promise it?
Yes, we have to relive the glory of the great Karl Marx.
Thank you so much.
President, right to comment on Premier of Union and POTUS?
Point of order.
What?
Granted, Marzi. Granted, Marzi. Granted.
Motion to appeal.
Apologize. What on earth? Oh, sorry. Apologize my informality. But one at a time. Is there any point you wish to make against the Premier of the USSR? If so, raise your hand now.
Not against, but I want to ask the Premier of Union of
Point of parliamentary inquiry. The Marzi was recognized first.
You've been recognized,
we'll redo
Marzi,
it.
but
We'll redo it according to the president of JCC.
yes. Again, are there any points against the Premier of the USSR? If yes, just raise your hands. Yes, Marzi.
Thank you, President, for the recognition. Premier of Union, you do realize that USSR is aiding currently in the war between Arab League and Israel. Is it your intention to establish communism even at this point of time? And is that the reason why you're in this war? Not for your support to the Arab League?
Marzi, I believe the question has already been answered by the Premier of the USSR.
The delegate would like to answer it in this.
Yes,
forum.
Premier. Yes, Premier.
First of all, Commander of the Ground Forces of Israel, I do not appreciate her emphasis on every single word. Secondly, we will take over any country we want to. We don't need your approval or your appreciation. Thank you.
Plea to follow?
Not granted. Moving on, HO Manpower, to what point do you raise?
Point of information. Wait, he changes his name.
Yeah, the
Apologize,
premier had to
the
leave.
premier's left. The premier's already left due to time constraints. Seeing that all speeches have elapsed, all the previous speeches have elapsed, and there are no motions on floor, we'll be looking forward to motions or points. Are there any points or motions on the floor? If yes, please raise your hands now.
Members, just a minute. Please note that the speakers list has not elapsed. Or, however, we will only be looking at motions to table a directive.
Yes. Mazi, we're just recognizing Mazi, followed by who all wish to raise a point of motion. Raise your
Shall we
hands.
split the committees again?
Wait, Deputy PM, 1 minute. GS Special Forces. Are those only 2 points of motions that wish to be raised? Okay. Mazi, Commander of the Armed Forces, you may state your point of motion.
Thank you, President, for the recognition. Pimazi would like to move the committee Pimazi would like to raise the motion to move into moderated caucus to table a directive for a period of 20 minutes.
Directive for 20 minutes. Prime Minister, is that format valid here?
So have you prepared a directive, or do you want to just take a directive by verbatim? Have you prepared a directive?
Verbatim would be okay, but we can prepare a directive within 20 minutes too.
Okay, so seeing the time constraints, what we can do is everybody from the Israel as well as the Arab cabinet can just list out what their points and directives are precisely, and one of the members can note it down, and that itself will become a directive. So it will basically be a roundtable conference. Okay.
We won't essentially take directives by email. You guys will be sharing whatever directive or document you prepare, and we'll go through committee proceedings here as a whole, because getting into our email and then moving forward will take time. So seeing that, okay, Chairman of Special Forces, to what point of motion do you raise?
Same thing.
Second,
The chairman of
second.
Special Forces would like to retract.
Retract, okay. By chair's discretion, we shall move into a mod caucus with directive. But you guys want to do a mod caucus or an unmod caucus? Prime Minister, should we enable a mod?
Let's keep it a moderate caucus. It's a roundtable conference. So which member would like to take the responsibility to write down the directive? Please raise your hands now.
Before moving,
Yes.
does the House wish to be split alongside Arab GCC and Israel cabinet, or do they wish to form a?
All those in favor, please raise your hands now.
Members, please recognize you're given an invaluable opportunity to collaborate with the Arab cabinet members.
Based on your wishes.
All right, seeing a majority in favor of separation, I believe.
No, can all members use the raise hand option in the participants list?
Yeah, do all plus Y. Do all plus Y. Commander of the Navy, Syrian Minister of Foreign Affairs, Head of Communications
4,
and
5, 6, 7,
Minister of Foreign Affairs
9,
for
2,
Iraq, Egypt
10.
Chief of Staff. Could you all please turn on your videos?
Yeah, members of the cabinet.
Seeing that only 9 members have 10 members.
No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
it's
9,
10. It's 10.
10 out of I think
members voting will end in the next 5 seconds.
10 out of 17.
3, 4. Okay, voting is ended. Seeing that the majority does not want to split the cabinet.
It's 9 out of 17. 9 out of 17.
9 out of 17.
Yes, seeing
but we need a 2/3 majority. We need a 2/3 majority to split
point
the
of
cabinet.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes.
This was raised in order to divide the committee, not
to divide. But we do require a 2/3 majority. We cannot divide a committee based on just half of the committee, right? So we need a 2/3. If people are not comfortable voting, we shall move into a motion to divide the House. We'll go for that if you want, individually counting the votes. The EB does not mind.
It will take so much time. It's okay. Just no, I don't think Arab cabinet members. Okay, all the Israeli cabinet members have raised their hands. Please lower your hands.
Okay. For the comfort of the committee, we'll make 2 breakout rooms.
No, just a second. I suspect that the Arab cabinet members are not present here. Other than, please lower your hand 1 second. I'll lower it for you. All right. Other than Egyptian Air Forces, any other member wishing to divide the House, please raise your hand now. Any other member from the Arab cabinet wishing to divide the House, please raise your hand now. Seeing that it's only the Egyptian Air Force, okay, seeing 3 members, I think we can proceed to dividing the House. We can set up another breakout room. Members, please recognize the Secretary General of the Imperial.
Presidents, EB members, if we could have a separate breakout room for ourselves as of now, so that we can move into there whenever you want.
Yes,
Just
1 second.
make sure it's already assigned
Yes.
prematurely. Yeah.
Joint committee session will take around 20 more minutes.
We are expecting directives to be prepared like within 20 minutes. So, okay. Shall we give them an unmod, Satvik?
They can go into
Rather?
the no, it's not unmod. I'll
You
be
have
going
to
to the Israeli cabinet. You can go to the Arab cabinet. The rest can go to the EB. I'll assign you to the EB.
Fair enough. Round table, am I right?
Yes. Members, the breakout rooms are open. Please join the Israel cabinet and the Arab cabinet breakout rooms respectively.
Satvik,
Chair, point of parliamentary inquiry. Will this be an unmod session?
This is a moderated. It's a roundtable conference. So each member just starts speaking. One member can write the directive down. If you want, I can write it on a piece of paper. Whatever.
I am writing it on Google Doc.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Could Foreign Affairs share his screen if possible?
Sure.
I can go ahead and share if it's taking time.
Okay, so the title of this directive, if you all agree, will be Operation Hatikwa. Who did this?
What?
Who removed everything?
Was anonymous shrew.
Go to version history. It's okay. Don't worry. Go to
And
last edit was second.
control Z. Who control Z?
Not control. Yeah. Okay.
Well, could you do control Z?
I cannot.
No, if
Just
version
check
history.
the version history. It will be there. Don't worry. Yeah, it's over here now. It'll be
Okay,
there,
this
yeah.
one.
Basically, what's your plan? You can just tell me through verbatim because we won't have that much time. What's your basic plan actually?
Yeah, so my idea was to declare a ceasefire between the Arab League and Israel temporarily until the Jordanian crisis is solved.
See,
And
just
after
make
that,
a
we are back.
directive. Just make a directive to solve the Jordanian crisis itself. Okay.
And sir, then we were planning to proliferate the ground forces around the. Can we not do that? Sorry.
No, 1 minute. Someone is trying to edit again. Wait.
Yeah. I'll be joining the other breakout room. Please call for help if you need me.
I forgot round table format a bit. I forgot round
There's
table
not
format.
basically roundtable format means one by one the delegates start speaking and they present
Random
points.
order, 1 minute. Am I correct? We give them a minute each. or
No, like
something.
you know that one delegate who's like wishing to speak. Yeah, just pick him up, ask him to send his points like that.
You have to give it a time limit also as well, right?
No. This is a board cabinet. We can decide the
Based
ROP on our
also
own.
war cabinet format. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I'll join my breakout room. Thanks. I'm really sorry for this.
Fine, I'll come.
Further, you also join. Okay.
Yeah.
Ceasefire is the reason
ceasefire?
the Minister of Foreign Affairs is suggesting a ceasefire is because we have to, if we need to work in consensus with the Arab League, if we need to get rid of the Jordanian threat, we need to work in consensus. If we need to get rid of the Jordanian threat, we need to like work together. Look, they're not supporting the Arabs, they're not supporting the Israelis. They are now, there are three belligerents in this war: the Israeli bloc, the Arab League bloc, and the Jordanian bloc. It was two, and now it is
Mhm.
three. We have
Mhm.
look, we have to sign a ceasefire with the Arab bloc, so we have only one belligerent.
Members, don't debate too much with yourselves, because ultimately understand this. When it comes to voting, we need 2/3 majority, and we basically have the majority already for all of the Israel cabinet votes. The directive is going to pass. Okay, so we have the majority with us already. Let's just focus on preparing a strong directive, because ultimately the crisis will be affected by that, not by voting. So the crisis will most likely pass, but focus on just take all possible accidents and all possible events that can occur with this directive into account. And your main aim should be capturing Bethlehem back again, and protecting yourselves from Jordan.
If possible,
Yeah, can
see,
we?
what I did with my Israeli, I mean, with my US presidential statement was that I assured that if anyone invades proper Israeli clay, right, like proper Israeli clay, then there will be US backing. Then like you will get further US backing, kind of thing. Okay, so you basically have like kind of a very big immunity kind of net kind of thing, but don't let that make you overconfident. Okay, so like what you got to do, you have got to just design a strong directive. Okay, since Jordan is basically fighting both the Arab League and the Israelis right now, what you can do, Jordan is going to be spread out too thin, they're too weak for that. Okay, so you can focus on Jordan, you can wipe them out quickly. You can wipe them out quickly, capture the West Bank. Okay, and then once you capture the West Bank, you can turn around and then focus on the real threat, that is the remainder of the Arab League.
Tell me one thing, Deputy PM, is it
Yes.
good? Is it good to declare a temporary ceasefire with the Arab League?
If you want to, it's all up to you. It's all
But
up to you.
is it wise? Is it wise? Just tell us if it's
Is
wise.
it a
On
bad
basis of
idea?
advice, just on basis
Yeah.
of
We request
See,
advice.
because
not
when
opinion.
you want to
you-
declare a ceasefire, right, you have to get the Arab cabinet also to agree with you. Okay,
Exactly.
and judging by the incredible numerical superiority that they have, I don't think they're going to agree with it.
Okay, then I
Okay,
remove
because
that clause.
In the chats
right now,
also.
looking
They're not
at how
willing to
things are
cooperate
going,
with
right
us.
now, looking at how things are going with the Arab League, right? They're making incredible gains on Israel. They're probably not going to be agreeing to a truce.
That's
They've
what I'm
already,
saying.
they've
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Members,
captured
but the
goal.
point is, ultimately the directive will be approved with 2/3 majority, and we already have the majority. How many are we? We are 12, right? And the total is 21. 2/3 means 3, 2, 7, 14. We need 2 more
We are
people.
four. We are four. We are four.
And the EB, does the EB vote count?
No, right?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah,
No, it
so
doesn't.
you just need to convince 2 members from the Arab cabinet. Just 2 members.
Oh, right, sir, because your
I have a
vote and
friend over
deputy
there.
PM won't count.
I think we
Can
can
we
convince that
move the
person.
Arab cabinet?
See,
I have a
you
friend
one
over
of
there.
the
One.
members?
you
I
try
think we can convince
you try your
the
sources to convince the Arab
person who
cabinet.
wanted to do the peace treaty.
Can we
Yeah,
convince the
that
Air
one guy.
Force head,
He was
the
the
chief
foreign
of Air
minister,
Force?
right? I think
Yes,
he's
the
Syria
Syrian foreign minister. You can convince the Syrian
Yeah.
foreign minister. You have another person. One more person
Yeah,
will be able to manage. You'll manage to get the person. So basically, your directive will approve. Just make sure it's a strong directive. The ceasefire thing is fine because it will approve because you have the majority.
Also, one more thing.
Just give me
Okay.
a minute.
See,
need
we
a
had
map.
12 people here. We had 12 people here. 10 delegates. 10 minutes. 10 members out here. Okay. And over there, we had a total strength of 21. Out of the 21, 4 of us were chairs. So you're like 10 people from Israel, 7 people from the Arab cabinet. So like for a 2/3 majority, how much would that be, Sathik? Like
4 members from the Arab cabinet, sir.
not 4.
No, 2. That's it. 2 or 3.
We need 2
max.
for a 2/3 majority.
Okay, 2 2.
Look,
2/3
divide
of
21 by
70.
7. No,
You need
actually,
12 members total. You need
it
12
was
members.
21 including chairs. It was 21 including chairs. I
You need
feel.
11. You need 11. You need 11. I calculated. You
11.
need
So you need to
11
convince
point.
only one
You
member.
need 12. You need
The
12.
Syrian.
Actually, you need 12 because
Wait,
it's
Wait,
11.3.
are we 21? Because then
No,
math
no, no. No,
14.
11
Not
No, no,
21,
no.
man.
No,
4
no.
are chairs.
See, we need 12, okay? And that means you have 10 right now. You need 2 more votes. Ultimately, you need 2 more votes only. So just try to convince 2 more votes. That's it.
Wouldn't 11.3 round off to 11?
No, it
To
will round
11,
off ahead.
exactly.
It will round off to 12, not because you have to bypass the
So
2/3, right? Yeah.
Okay, can one of
communicate.
us move to the Arab cabinet and ask?
Yeah. We'll
Or
try.
should,
Thank you.
Vardhan, you
so
stay
should
here.
we
MSK
launch
and
communicate?
Guys,
No,
if we
not
Or-
run
communicate.
for
That will
the
take too much
community
time.
will
Okay,
take
can
more
we type-
time.
Just okay, tell me your points. We'll convey the message.
Sir, we have to make this point. Everyone apart from foreign relations of Egypt.
Yeah.
Our first point would be that we communally focus on this genuine threat of Jordan, which has shown shaky loyalty to both the sides, the Arab League and Israel. What else, guys? The
See,
USSR.
Jordan is supporting the Arab League.
They're saying it, but they're not loyal. We have proof from
They're not
behind.
loyal. They said in a speeches
They're
that
not
they're
loyal.
not.
There
Even
are double
USSR
faced
is
They are
background.
in
highlight
Jerusalem
that.
ready to attack. Do you think that
Look,
the
they
Arab
might-
League will support us on that? Like not
No,
attacking?
Look, as if Jerusalem is completely out of Israeli hands, they will go and side with with Jordan immediately. That is the goal, to remove Jerusalem out of Israeli hands.
Okay.
We are half of
Do
Jerusalem.
one thing. Do one thing. What will happen is you guys put that treaty point. Put it at the end. Okay, so people might not notice it. Do that way because most likely half the committee sleeping. So do it that way. If that doesn't work out, I'll try. Okay.
Did we mention
Okay,
anything
guys,
about the USSR?
Guys, we cannot waste
USSR
time on
is not
this.
a-
We have nothing on the directive.
Okay. Yeah.
I've just come here to observe. I've just come here to observe.
Sure. Syria Chief of General, start man.
Yeah.
Continue.
Yes, also Egypt is in hand of a lot of cluster munitions, which is also something that we could use intensively. So with that, the Chief of General Staff of Army ends his speech. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Next speaker is Egypt Chief of Staff of Army. You've been recognized. Please do type in your clause and explain what idea you had.
Thank you, Chair, for recognizing. I believe that we should keep the Jordan dispute at bay and immediately attack the, like a delegate of Syria said, we should immediately detonate the explosives at the openings of the tunnel at Tel Aviv. And furthermore, to increase the tunnel distance to Jerusalem, this will help Palestine or the Jordan and have a great impact, and finally eradicate the Israelis. And we can also use the help of the USSR, as the hypothetical statement stated by the Israeli minister is not likely to happen.
Apologize. Has Syria given intel that they've already reached Tel Aviv by tunneling?
Yes, we have already reached Tel Aviv.
Was
Okay,
this sent as a chit to the JCC president, and was it approved by the president?
Nothing as such was sent. By
President,
the
will
way,
you approve this?
Prime Minister, could you please check your chat?
President, I feel that Tel Aviv is hundreds of kilometers away from Golan Hills. So I do not understand how Syria has the capacity to do this.
I understand Syria's capability maybe to reach a few kilometers into mainland. I doubt Syria might have reached Tel Aviv as of now. So no.
Members of the Arab cabinet, I suggest that you actually band together with the Israeli cabinet to defeat Jordan. Ultimately, if Jordan does capture a lot of the West Bank, it has shown its disloyalty to the cabinet, and it will not side with the Arab members. We should communally focus together on the.
Prime Minister, how
But
can
another
you
problem is that
guarantee that
we
Wait,
we
One
have
at
the
a time.
same.
One at a time. One at a time. Minister of Foreign Affairs of Egypt, you have been recognized. Speak.
first of all, how can we trust the Israeli Prime Minister to just come in here and give us ideas like that? Second
Okay,
of all,
valid point.
yeah, who is the Israeli Prime Minister to tell us that our Arab brother will betray us in this, while he just helped us all the way to gain so much control over the West Bank?
Minister of Foreign Affairs Egypt. This
Who
is
hath
ultimately a
commanded?
joint crisis. Sorry.
Who hath commanded the old forces? Okay. Anyways,
This is
I'm just
ultimately the joint
thinking.
crisis. This is
I
ultimately
know.
the joint crisis. So I'm there in this meeting as a joint crisis member.
Look here, it's not prime minister. Essentially, it is actually a chair. It's a member of the EB. It's just they are just giving a suggestion, so they're not essentially.
We are breaking the illusion that this is not the actual Arab cabinet. That this is actually just an immune conference.
Now, as of now, it's an immune conference. Listen, thing is,
ultimately, your directive has to pass with 2/3 majority. How are you going to convince the Israeli cabinet to vote for your
actually,
directive?
apparent Satvik,
Yes.
this could be an independent Arab cabinet resolution alone. It can be passed by the Arab League as its own independent unit, unless and until it's expecting, what do you say, complete support. I don't think so. It's going to work in this manner. I believe the Israel cabinet is also working on its own independent directive.
We were
Maybe
planning to give a directive present a directive to the joint committee.
Don't tell here, man. Don't tell here,
Okay,
man.
okay. I mean,
Don't tell here.
I thought that was obvious. Okay, fine, I'll leave. Sorry for wasting
If
your
you
time.
if you want to talk in the EB group,
Yes.
I'll come there. We can
Yes.
talk. I don't mind.
Yes.
I'll open an unmod here. I'll come there. If you want to talk, we'll go there now. You want to talk now?
Yes.
Okay. Members, you're in an unmoderated caucus starting now until when?
Look, we have a joint crisis committee. I think we should make use of that and force delegates to pass the directive as a whole. Because otherwise, then what was the point of setting up a joint crisis?
I'll tell you why it's joint crisis committee. Essentially, just because all of it exists in the same bubble. I don't think so. Just joint committee crisis was created for happily ever after. If you ask Navneet also, he'll tell the same story. Now there's a private directive that I got. I don't think so. It's this thing. So I'm just not ratifying it. Okay. If they could not have reached Tel Aviv, they can definitely not reach Jerusalem. So therefore, blah blah blah. I don't care. Moving forward, we have Jordan exactly at Bethlehem, which is just a stone's throw away.
Yes.
Oh my God! I don't know why I didn't correct in the committee. I just shut my mouth.
Actually, you should have, man.
No problem. Can you just go to the Israeli cabinet and just tell them that the Jordan troops are at Bethlehem? It's like
I told. You can tell your Arab cabinet as well.
They already know. I already told
Okay,
them. So you
fine.
can tell that it's sort of like Jordan is sticking to Bethlehem. They're not stepping out of that area, whereas the Israeli forces are also stepping. It's like they're trying to avoid head-on conflict. I don't know why, because that's a storyline. Now we've already released this update. Do you want the next thing to be the conclusion after the directive passes?
Actually, do you want to put out a treaty now? Is a committee not in the mood for that? But do you want to do that?
No, hell no, bro.
No, okay,
This is
no.
too fun. This is
Okay.
just too much fun. This is too much fun. And come on, you have to accept it. You can feel it coursing in your veins.
Okay.
No, it's not. These guys don't know how to make a directive in time.
Okay, fine. So just continue with what you're doing and just pass.
Listen. We're not done.
Yeah.
Thing is, the next documentation, should it be the conclusion? If it is the conclusion, then I have to start working.
See,
no,
after if your Arab cabinet sends in a good directive, then if we will see who wins or loses, doesn't matter. What matters is how much pain they have. Okay, so if they send in a good directive, then depending on what is a general idea actually? What is the general idea
of the Arab cabinet as of now?
Yeah.
Hallabur, attack everyone. Finish.
So like if in general, if they attack if they attack Jerusalem and all that, we'll definitely win for that. If the directive is good as I think that will be, then we'll win and then we'll capture Jordan, West Bank area. Also, are you like planning a directive on the Jordan side as well, or like that's just on
No,
our
no, no,
EB
no.
side?
Jordan doesn't need a directive. It's already in action. It doesn't need any
Okay.
more instructions. It cannot move forward as of now. And I don't think so. Forces at West Jerusalem are highly strong. They're just prepared to face this thing, right? So if I'm right, Israel will be sending a huge army to Jerusalem to just sweep over the entire area of West Bank. Am I correct? So the Arab
Yeah.
League is also planning to do the same thing, a huge army to sweep over the West Bank. I don't know how we are going to partition the land. I don't know how we are
No,
going
it
to write a
doesn't matter.
constitution.
Whichever committee writes a better directive, we should just, update
Yeah.
in their favor.
We'll
And
just
also
we'll
your
just
committee will most likely attack Sinai Peninsula and all that stuff. I won't tell that to Israel. If you attack all that stuff, then yeah, we will decide accordingly.
look, Sinai Peninsula, look, it's based on the directive. If their directive
Yeah.
is telling amassing troops at Jerusalem, Sinai Peninsula is weak, it's vulnerable, Patak finish, game over. Okay. Yeah, Varadan, what you did, you released an unmod there and came here.
No, those guys are still in the round table.
Round table, man.
those
Dude, without
guys
a
are
chair,
good.
hey, small dog. Without
Yeah.
a chair, how on earth are they doing a round table?
They are
don't know,
just
they're just-
unmod only now.
It's
I'll go there.
It's as good as
I'm
an
going
unmod.
there. I'm going there.
Thing is, I'm actually slightly envious. You have like people who know how to talk like properly, that emuent sort of tone. I don't have that. But it's
Actually,
good.
we have 2-3 delegates or like that. Actually, one of the reasons why I think they're like really interested in why they produce all that image and video and all, because like we tried our best to word the background guide in such a way that it we actually wrote these points in the background guide. We in the important or conference points, we actually wrote that you can present as images and videos, etc. Then maybe they got inspired from the Google form and all that stuff. Maybe.
By the way, Satvik, you're done with like awards and all. Like you found
No,
out
no, no,
who's-
no, 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 no. I'm going in the
I mean,
Israel cabinet.
our marking sheet is partiality. I haven't been to any marking since like at least 2
Don't
o'clock.
talk about
Okay,
don't
okay, I'm
talk
going.
about marking. Calm
I'm
down.
going.
You
back.
go.
Members just note that you will be approving the directive in your own cabinet only. It won't be a joint cabinet. So anything goes, the best directive wins.
Oh, we have the best directive here too.
No. Whichever was the best. I have not seen their directive. Whatever is the better directive will, be in, obviously.
So, Chair, this is the last directive of our committee?
No, that we don't know.
All right, guys. I'm not sure if Satvik has told you, but we're giving you 5 more minutes. We have like 45 minutes left for the entire committee session, and I suppose most of you want a motion of entertainment at the end. So you have to try and wrap things up by 5:30 at the very least. We're giving you 5 more minutes to be done with your directive, and then we must move on to voting of our amendments, and then preferably try to keep it as less ambiguous as possible so that there's less time is spent on amendments. Okay, and then we'll move on to voting on the directive, and then let's try to do it quickly.
Okay, Lovell, for like faster stuff, can you give me access?
Sure. Because some people will like
Medharudappa1@gmail.com.
No, it's there. It's there on the group.
No, like I cut off access to everyone because some people were messing with that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now you can edit.
Okay. First of all, Commander Chair, operations. By the way, we need the entire committee to be co-sponsors to this, right?
Okay, sure.
This is our last directive.
Dude, it's okay. I'll do that. You continue writing. We don't have the time. I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
So-
I'm at the wrong directive.
Okay, so what should we do with what is going
Kahan
on?
gaya?
No, some
Wait,
guy's
man.
messing up with this.
Who did this?
Who is anonymous?
See,
That's
what's
why
happening is,
Send it out.
have you sent it
What
to
on
the Arab cabinet members? Have you
Dude,
sent this to the-
I suggest keeping the document private and only allowing the.
That's what I
access to
told.
email.
Just let me in.
Can
Don't
we
do
can we
no,
make
just-
a new can we make a new link? Can we make a new link?
No, we
Yeah.
can't.
And
we're
copy
not
paste the
doing it.
entire text.
There's no time. We
It's
have to.
not about
I can
time.
make a new
It's
link.
just 1 minute.
Arab
It's just
cabinet
a
even
minute.
get this
Lowell,
link?
you can
Someone
do
here-
this. Till then I'll make the new link.
Members,
I'll do it.
members, you can just
Okay, I
Guys,
got it.
I am already sharing the link in chat box.
remove edit.
Okay, done.
Keep the edit access removed. Lovell, you continue with this one. Keep the edit access removed. If any member has to add any points, just send it to chat box and Lovell can copy paste it. Sorry, Minister of Foreign
Yeah.
Affairs can copy paste it.
I have already put the link for the Google Doc.
No,
Lowell, you
wait.
can
Continue with
Did
this
you
one.
hear
Continue with this one. Continue with this one. The one that is already shown.
okay, then at least give access.
Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Don't give access. Don't give edit
No,
access.
I know. Wait,
Just
oh yeah,
do it.
here it is. Okay.
Don't give edit
Okay.
access. If anybody wants to add any points, they can add it via the chat box. Send the text to the chat box, and for administrator can copy paste it.
Okay, we are ready.
Karthik,
Send
I'll be
your,
back in 2
send your,
minutes. I'm going to
send
the
your
Arab cabinet to tell them once.
You what? We're ready? That's it?
Nothing.
no,
Nothing. You
we need
continue.
clauses. Send clauses. Send clauses fast.
Or do we need any action for the Arab forces also, like apart from Jordan? Any sort of action for them?
No, we
In
cannot
case our
involve them. They'll
battalion.
come and look, we are sufficient on our own to do this. I feel.
But
Okay,
we
shall
won't be
I-
weakening any posts, right? That they could possibly.
Shall I
counter.
just give a suggestion? Okay, simple. Don't use this directive to go ask for supplies, okay? Do with whatever you have, because if you're gonna ask for supplies, it's gonna take time. That just
I
means you're
agree.
gonna have to write another directive again for war. If you're writing a war directive, focus on war. Like the first clause there makes sense.
Dhanwant,
Right?
you're here, right? Tell
I'll be
your
here.
cabinet that they need to submit it by 5/5. The
Hey,
directive
how
need
on
to be.
earth, how on earth are they going to submit
Man,
it to?
dude,
You are
stop disturbing them. Let them finish.
Okay,
Fine,
at
come
this
to the EB
point
group.
of time, if this is going to be our last directive, yeah, I think we can issue a ceasefire.
It may be, dude. We can't be sure. What if they?
No, but if we do issue a ceasefire, then it'll probably become the last directive.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
and it also could trigger Arab
Huh.
forces. Are we sure you want to do that? I mean,
We don't have that
Should we
much
wage
time.
war on the Arabs?
Exactly.
wage.
Look, if this is the last directive, we can do literally anything. We can wage nuclear war.
Nuclear war again, you stated itself, it is going to affect Israel. It's nuclear war.
Bro, can we offer USSR a part of our land for communists? This thing, they will also support us because they have no
Listen, all
problem.
our agriculture resources gone, Gaza gone, everything gone if we do nuclear war.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true. That's true.
We
How
can't
getting
pass
land?
the last directive just in such a way that everything is over. The committee is the country is no
Yeah,
post
yeah,
war.
I just
get
made a
it, we get
joke.
it.
I just made a joke. Chill.
We just went hyper for a moment.
Okay,
Yeah, but-
issues a temporary ceasefire.
The last
Okay.
one.
The
So
last
the same,
clause.
wait, the same thing which I said.
temporary
Wait.
ceasefire until Jordanian troops are eliminated from Jerusalem.
This is exactly what I told in the beginning. I'm pasting that.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Wait,
Just to join.
joint committee, not joint committee anymore.
Okay, I'll change that. And change the font.
See, I think this is a solution just because this might be a last directive right
Members
now.
also note that you need to resolve the internal conflict as well. That was mentioned directive 4.0. Take those clauses in here as well. That was not approved previously.
Okay, wait, I have it open
And
here.
officially, I'll give you 10 more minutes to finalize it. Okay, 10 more minutes. Okay.
Okay, can we
Okay,
start the ground
directive 4.0 wasn't passed.
It
yeah.
wasn't passed. It wasn't
No.
passed.
Yeah.
Include those
We can
points in this
combine
one.
it
We'll
from
pass it
it.
together. Okay.
Then just add on the points to this.
Okay, tell me
Yeah,
which
yeah.
clauses to paste. Tell me
Wait,
which
1
clauses.
minute.
Please don't concern. Yeah. Please don't
I
think.
think we delete the fifth clause.
No, it's actually there. I can still see it. You're writing two same clauses.
Wait, no, it's the, wait 1 sec, it's the fifth clause.
Okay, members, update. You have 10 more minutes for to submit a directive. They'll be submitting the directive to the Arab JCC email. Fair enough.
Yes, Chair.
Prime Minister, yes or not?
I didn't know you were asking me. You can just send me the link through WhatsApp. They can submit it however they want.
Okay, just share the link to the WhatsApp group or whatever method you do. Anyways, we have the link, so we'll take care of it.
You already sent it the link, right? I have it. It's okay.
Yeah. Just keep it. Once you guys are done, once you guys are done amending and stuff, we will no longer refer to that document. We'll copy paste whatever is there into a separate document.
Who is Anonymous Dragon? Because you guys just deleted my clause.
Clause number 5.
4. It was deleted now.
Don't worry, just use the undo option, I guess. Anonymous Dragon has left the chat.
He deleted everything. What?
Yep. Please, did you send this link to anyone else, Satvik, by mistake?
Nope. The same thing's happening to our cabinet as well. We asked them to remove the editing rights to everybody, and the members won't
No,
edit it, so chat.
simple. Whoever's having this thing, right? Go to the share editing access and click on. You have to log in or something. I believe there's an option for that. Changes. Anyone on this link restricted?
Can you guys give me your emails?
It'll take too long. Simple.
Yes,
Shall I say something? All of you open Word documents, type in whatever clause you have, copy paste it to the chat, and then Air Force Defense Commander just paste it back onto the document. Okay. The numbering does not matter. Please send in your clauses within the next 5 minutes so that we can paste it, and then we have 5 minutes to amend, edit, and whatever you guys want to do. Fair enough. Move on. Satvik, is there anything you want to?
Has the communique been sent to Jordan?
I have no idea. I haven't received any communique as of now. Satvik, just be active on your Zoom chat for a minute. There's a capital T missing in the first sentence. No, not for you guys. It's for something else.
Version one should be there in the other cabinet to grade them.
Dude, you're in the presence of delegates. You know what you're speaking. Just type it out, man. If you're lazy to type, write it, take a photo, and send.
I'm messaging him in private chat.
Okay, yeah, that's also a
Remember
point.
that time 2 rupees could give like some 5
much.
kgs of flour or whatever. Yeah,
30 rupees for
Exactly.
school fees
More
that
than
time.
enough.
Yeah,
At least
exactly.
200, dude. At least 200.
300.
Bro,
300 is a
School
lot.
fees was not in
Relax.
rupees.
Can we
School
look
fees
at
was
the
not in
time
rupees at that
scale
time.
also?
150.
Can we not argue on numbers? 200. That's
Guys,
it. Stop. Done.
Move. We don't have the time to do this.
In
Uh,
1967,
To
school
each
life was
family,
not
each
in
family.
rupees also. It was in paise.
To each family, we cannot like members of family, we'll go broke. Each family directly affected by the crackdown.
okay, here what you do is, see, we're still providing food and sources, correct? So what you do from the previous directive, I think directive 3.0, include that this will also be included for these people. Just in case if it's not clear for everyone.
Wait, what will be not included? I mean, what will be included again? Sorry.
No,
Food rations,
directive
I think.
3.0.
Mm-hmm.
Go down, go down, go down.
Ministers, you do realize that there's a Minister of Communications and Electronics as well, who's like there in the meeting. She has not joined the breakout room. She's just there, but so she.
The minister previous, you're asking me, right?
Yeah, I'm asking
Yeah,
you,
I'm aware. I'm aware.
Yeah. Also, it's 5:13. What do we
2
do?
minutes. 2 minutes. We're almost.
Just mention that clause 3 of directive 3.0 will heavily be implemented all over the state of Israel.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
That's another
Clause-
directive. Yep, clause.
Clause
Clause
Wait,
3.
No,
reiterates,
declares
the incentives from
from
clause
clause 3
in
clause 3
in directive
3.0
3.0
to be effective until the state of Israel
until the state of Israel is out of
war.
Is out of war. Okay. No, is
not.
out of the state is has what
Is
has
has
suspended the
gotten
state of
over the
emergency.
impending, has suspended
Has
what?
The state of emergency.
We have not declared any state of emergency.
No, it was declared in May already. Check the reports.
One
The
second.
video you sent me, man.
Oh yeah.
Okay, has suspension to
Wait,
be
are you
effective.
sure?
Until
Yeah, check
let's
it
try
again.
the state that also out of war if we can't.
A suspended state of emergency and the war is over.
No.
No. Can be controlled.
And the situation is under control.
And the situation of war is under control.
That doesn't make sense. Situation is under control. It's enough, I feel.
What situation?
What situation? We're in war, man.
Under control.
Okay, fine. Done. We are ready to press table the directive.
Okay, go up. Just read the entire directive once.
Wait.
Listen, please do the formatting, commas and semicolons right now.
Okay, just do the main sponsors, co-sponsors first. Tell. Main sponsors is okay?
It's 5:15, guys.
You can use short forms for your co-sponsors. Okay, no problem.
It's okay, but nothing else missing.
Wait.
Co-sponsors? Anyone? Anyone else?
No,
also included?
we need the entire.
Aditya, military of
Wait, one minute.
intelligence.
The entire state of Israel. I mean, the entire
state council.
PM, are we allowed
the
to
entire state
write that?
council.
No. Write your short forms. Okay, it's fine. Doesn't matter. Look, ultimately, all of this stuff is just. I'm not even gonna look at that. Okay, it just looks beautiful. So just write. Yeah, honestly, it just looks beautiful. So just write the State Council of Israel.
Entire no need.
Just write the State Council of. Oh, okay, fine. Go ahead. It's okay. It looks nice.
The State Council of Sovereign. No, the Sovereign State Council of Israel.
No. The State Council of Sovereign Israel. It's fine. No problem.
One second. What? The entire. Remove entire.
We remove committee. Finish.
Yeah.
Dear committee, committee is a part of the format. Don't remove the committee. Okay.
Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Gentlemen, we have a directive.
All the best, guys.
Also, for agenda, can we put like final crisis?
No. Just leave it.
No need, please. No need.
Prime Minister, we're ready
Okay,
to
I
start
will
the
speak this time. Okay, I'll speak.
Why don't we, this is the last directive, so why don't we divide it
Okay.
to all four of us?
Yeah.
Members will
Okay, I
begin
will do the
after
first
1
part.
minute. Members will begin after
I'll
1
do the
minute.
first part till clause 3. Clause 2. Clause 2.
Listen, okay, fine.
Okay. Mansi do 3 and 4. Ronak 5 and
Okay.
6.
All
Special
right.
forces 7, 8.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay,
1,
I'll
2,
introduce. 1, 2.
3, 4,
Ready?
5. Okay, fine. Ready.
Let's
Sir,
go,
we are
guys.
ready.
Do we leave the room?
No, no, no.
No.
We'll be discussing it here itself. We'll be voting for it together. Before I ask this, before we table the directive, are there any amendments? Any member would like to send? It is fine to send amendments. Shows that maybe you couldn't add in to, during the informal session. You want to add the amendments personally. Are there any amendments? Will there be any amendments?
Not sure. I don't think so because this is.
Has the
mostly
because I see the committee has voted and decided together, so it's fine. But if there are amendments, let us know. It's still acceptable. Also, this will only pass if we have 2/3 majority. So 1, 2, 3. We have 12 over here, so we need 8 votes at least. We have 10 here. Once, hold on.
Last thing, mention it Operation Hatikwa Directive 4.0.
7 votes here. 7 votes here, then
We
it's
have
passed by
7.
the.
Yeah. We need 7.
Hatikwa Directive 4.0. Yeah, that's it. We need that. And we're done.
Divya, can you speak in committee?
What?
Oh, no, we don't need to convince our friend.
Yeah, 2 days.
Whoever-
The voting will be done unilaterally, right?
It will be done by
yes,
the
yes.
state council. It will not be a joint one.
Yeah, it won't be done.
Okay, then fine.
Okay. Members, please send me this directive as a Google Doc. Please send me the link.
Through
The chat box, yeah.
Okay, chat.
And please name it Directive 5.0 because 4.0 wasn't passed, but it was tabled. So please name it Directive 5.0. Also, the personal directive sent out by the Special Forces, etc., Chairman of Special Forces, there was no reply to the chair, so that is not valid anymore.
The first.
The
directive?
urgent, no, that
Okay,
was
okay,
from
yeah.
the second one. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
It's uploaded on Padlet.
Okay.
Point of first privilege, Chair, could you please repeat your last instruction? My
It was
network connection
nothing.
fault.
It was nothing. Just the Chairman of Special Forces had sent a private joint directive. It was approved, but there was no reply. Hence, it is now cancelled.
Thank you so much.
Vardhan, we can give them a 5 minutes unmoderated caucus, seeing that the Arab committee has not completed. So if you have any ideas, anything at all, go ahead. We have like 5 minutes, 5 minutes break.
5 minutes unmod is fine, but then you can't have an MOE.
Not unmod, just this is MOE. They're done with the directive, right? So they don't have to discuss anything further.
Okay, fine. These 5 minutes are MOE. Okay, fine.
Prime Minister,
I
are
mean,
we
if you
permitted
want,
to?
you can like edit it a little.
Why
and
can't we
like,
pass
I
the
don't know.
directive already? Why can't we pass the directive?
We are waiting
We'll
for
have
the
a
Arab.
tactical advantage.
We are waiting for the Arab committee to pass the directive first. To pass the directive along with us, because it is ultimately a joint crisis. So
Chair,
meanwhile,
point of
yes.
Sorry, point of parliamentary inquiry.
Yes.
So the Arab committee's directives passing won't affect the Israeli committee.
See, ultimately, what I mean to say is we are waiting for the directive we are waiting for them to complete the directive. You have completed your directive, but your actions will affect their actions and their actions will affect your actions. And hence we need to see if the directive is completed as well. You can't pass a directive before they complete their directive because then, they can take actions again. So that doesn't make sense. That is why we are waiting for them to finish the directive and table it. Meanwhile, you have a motion for entertainment.
Noted. 1 second. Again, Lowell, change it to 4.0. 4.0
5.0,
wasn't discussed.
5.0.
I made it 5.2 here.
But Prime Minister,
No,
you just
that-
told 4.0 wasn't discussed here.
It was not voted on. It was discussed. It was not voted on. It was discussed. So it was, since it was submitted
No, we
already.
didn't read out any of
Members, this should be directive by 5.0. 4.0 was tabled and hence it will not be valid to rename it 4.0 again.
Noted.
Vardhan, you can do the MOE, okay?
Go to the MOE.
Yeah, you do it. You do it. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, fine. All right, delegates, will be. Are there any points or motions on the floor? If so, please raise your hands now. We'll be preferably looking at a motion for entertainment. Head of Military Intelligence, you have been recognized.
Motion to move on for motion for entertainment, actually. Yeah.
All right, by chair's discretion, this motion is in order. We are now in motion for entertainment. All right, members. Yes, could you please stop screen sharing? So yesterday, me and Satvik, we had designed 2 forms for you guys to fill out. So one of them happens to be a feedback form. Shall we give it to them now, Satvik?
That can be done
What do you
later on. You can send that confessions thing right
Fine,
now.
confessions. We'll do the confessions one now. Fine.
Chair's
One
point
minute.
of personal
So-
privilege, please. Can I be excused for 1 minute again?
Hi, actually the Arab cabinet is in another breakout room and the Israeli cabinet is in another breakout room. Israeli cabinet is
Would I
currently
be-
having cabinet is having MOE and the Arab cabinet is just still finalizing the directive. Once Arab cabinet finalizes the directive, we'll table both the directives in separate committees, but we'll table them at the same time for 15 minutes. And after they are passed, we'll give them
Okay,
an
in those
MOE.
15 minutes, we'll take the feedback session.
We'll take Israel's feedback. Can we just?
No.
You want to
no,
take it
wait,
right now?
wait,
They
wait.
just have MOE right now. You want to take it right
Okay,
now?
no,
We can
no.
do
See,
separate
they
now.
have
We'll-
MOE, right? No, let's take them together only. It saves time. OCT is done by that. By the time we get there, they'll finalize their directive and you get
Honestly,
15 minutes time, right?
Honestly, I'd want to do it separately.
As you wish. I'll take OCT in the meanwhile. We
Well
don't
done,
have a lot of
Sure.
time. 5:45 sessions. and
5:45 session, and I'll go to Israel. You go to OCT then.
Okay.
Cool. Satvik, no, Satvik, go to Arab or sit here. I don't know.
Okay, I'll call Vardhan as well out of the committee.
Vardhan. Yeah, call Vardhan as well. Yeah.
Okay. We have been kicked out of our committee rooms seeing telecommunications error. You can have a motion of entertainment while we're here if your directive is complete.
The directive is complete. You might as well allow both of the committees to merge and
Yes,
have
that
a
is not
motion.
possible at this moment in time in the Israel cabinet.
Okay,
All
can
right.
you
So now what are we doing? We're going to go and vote in the main room.
You can no. Arab cabinet, stay here, do MOE until I say stop. Basically.
Can we
Okay,
go
so
to
we-
our
Karthik, so do we go back?
Check
to
your
our-
WhatsApp, and just do MOE over here. Okay.
fair enough. Satvik, are we going into our EB group and doing work? The EB breakout room?
No.
No. Okay.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Chair, should we join the Israel breakout room or
No, wait. Stay here.
You give them
Stay here.
MOE, man. Just give them something to do.
No, what you guys are free to talk. If you guys want to have a break, switch off your videos, go to quarter and come.
Yes.
Yeah, basically.
Karthik, shall I go back to this thing?
No. Stay here. Just stay here.
What part of stay here don't you don't understand?
Just
Oh,
stay
you don't
here.
understand?
No, I don't. I do understand. Just stay here.
Okay.
Rohan.
Where did Rohan go though? Let him in. Satvik, let him in.
Yeah, Arab.
It's again, this company needs a break now, right? So we can talk as informed as much as informed as we want.
Yeah, you guys are free. You guys want to talk? You guys can talk.
Yeah, but just stay in this committee room. Thank you.
I get status
And
report
the
or what?
presidents are very busy right now. Are they doing some work?
Yeah, they're having telecommunications issues. Satvik, could you do something? Can we just create a confessions form meanwhile? Confessions form and a superlatives form.
Hey, Vardhan,
Meanwhile,
show
just-
our confessions form if there's anything good. We can show it, I guess.
Hey, no, don't.
No,
Dude, you guys
okay.
made a confession form. Send the link here as well. You'll get tea from both.
Wait. Vardhan, send the link. Vardhan, send the link.
Don't share
Link,
now. We'll share. Let the tea boil. Let the tea nicely simmer into existence. Then we shall
Yeah, like
post
11
it.
responses here as of right now.
Guys, what happened in the end?
In
We
the
don't
end, they
know
all died.
yet.
What?
No, in the end, what happened is the story got over. That's all. Nothing else.
Dude, elaborate. What happened?
We don't know
Dude,
what
we don't
happened.
know.
How does the crisis end in the end now? Like, what do we do
Man,
about the
man,
crisis?
you're in the
time
delegate
is
group only. You're in the delegate
Time
group
is
only.
frozen as of now. Time is frozen as of now. Our time
Yeah.
machines are frozen.
Loki
Think-
forgot
Shall we
to
go
give
into the
the
EB group? Shall we go
time
into the
stone.
EB group? Shall we just go into the EB group for a second?
Okay, fine.
Okay, we are all
All
going
four
into
of us.
EB group. Can you give them the confessions link? Let them start filling out confessions. You guys can talk.
See,
You
the
guys can
confessions
pause it.
link, I am the admin for the confessions link. So like your Arab cabinet's confessions also will come to my form only.
You think I care?
Send
I
the
just
link,
want
man.
Okay,
Send the
fine, I'll
link.
send the link here.
all we
Send the
care
link
is
here.
I'll send the link here.
pure
Arab cabinet, I'm
unadulterated.
sending the thing over here. Wait.
Yeah. Don't smoke weed, but do whatever you guys want. Okay, shall
I've
we
sent
go
the,
into
I've sent the
EB
form for the
group?
confessions over here. Okay, but in that case, the MOE will be joined because I won't know which one's coming from the Arab cabinet, which ones are coming from the Israeli cabinet.
Send the confession, not the feedback. Make sure you send the confession on feedback.
Cabinet also, yeah.
Now it's another cabinet.
Dude,
Yeah,
stop the
Arab cabinet.
recording with the breakout
Yes.
room. if you
Ah,
can.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.